Hello, Michael Phipps here, and I'm known as the Condo King of our local market area. And I get asked a lot of questions from my seller clients, and one main question is, what do I need to do prior to you coming to take pictures? So here's a couple of suggestions that I give them. Declutter, clean up, and start lightly packing. Clear off your kitchen countertops. Put small appliances away. Your flour and sugar containers, anything that's taking up space on your countertops, should be put away. By storing these items out of sight, it makes your property look clean swept and more spacious. Now I realize that you have to live here, but put away as much as you can so it doesn't look so cluttered. Your pictures will look so much better on the internet without all this busyness going on. Maybe even get some boxes and start packing. I mean, after all, we are moving, aren't we? Well, that's all the time I have today for my tips and suggestions. So remember, give me a call. Nobody knows the condo business like Michael.